Hello, Home Chef. Trader Joe's frozen kimbap is really popular now, but not everybody has access to Trader Joe. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade vegetarian kimbap with very simple ingredients so you can enjoy this super easy and delicious kimbap at home. You need carrot, cucumber or spinach, some eggs, Korean pickled radish, seasoned burdock root, fried tofu or soybean curd, homemade or store-bought. Pour hot water in the bowl of tofu to remove any excess oil. Wash and peel the skin of the carrot and use a large hole grater to julienne slice the carrot. Wash and trim off the end of the cucumber. Cut it into 8 long strips. Scoop out the center if you like. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon salt, toast it to cover and set it aside. Crack 5 eggs, season with a half teaspoon salt. Whisk until homogeneous. Drain excess water, cut fried tofu into strips, season with black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and soy sauce. Hot pan, add oil, stir fry julienne cut carrot with a strong pinch of salt and black pepper. Cook it until it's soft but still have some crunch. Pan fry both sides of the seasoned tofu. In a clean pan with a little of oil, pour third of the beaten egg, cook over medium-low heat. Flip when the edge starts to curl inward. Rinse, drain, squeeze excess water of the cucumber strip. Set it aside. Egg pancakes are cool enough to handle. Cut them into even-sized strips lengthwise. Scoop freshly made rice into large mixing bowl. Plop up, season with salt, sesame seed oil, and seed. Mix well to distribute added seasoning. Prepare kimbap rolling station with all ingredients. Cheese and vegetarian sauces are optional. Be sure to get kimbap kim or sushi nori. With gloved hand, place kim on the dirt side up. Place a big handful of seasoned rice and spread out evenly to cover 70 to 80% of the seaweed sheet. Use a little water or cooked rice as glue to seal a rolled kimbap. Place all the filling one by one, egg strip, seasoned tofu, some carrot, cucumber, pickled radish strip, and burdock root. Fold the seaweed seed with the rice over the fillings. Tuck and roll tightly but not too tight so it would not burst. Place the finished kimbap roll onto a tray, seam side down. Repeat the process with the rest of the ingredients. I end up making total of 8 kimbap rolls. Lightly brush the entire roll of kimbap with the sesame oil. Cut with a sharp knife, do not press down. Let the weight of the knife do the work for you. It's time to enjoy our kimbap. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.